What is natural disaster? A natural disaster is an event that is caused by natural processes of the earth. Disasters such as floods, hurricanes, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions. These events can cause widespread destruction, loss of life, and financial damage. Natural disasters can strike anywhere at any time, and they often come with little warning. It can also be described as the negative impact following an actual occurrence of natural hazard in the event that it significantly harms a community. A natural disaster can cause loss of life or damage property. It typically leaves some economic damage in its wake. Natural disasters such as earthquakes, hurricanes, and volcanoes are powerful and destructive events. It can have a significant impact on the environment and human society. While we cannot prevent these disasters from occurring, understanding the science behind them can help us to better predict and prepare for their impacts. How are earthquakes caused? Earthquakes are caused by the movement of tectonic plates, which are massive slabs of rock that make up the Earth's crust. When these plates move, they can cause the ground to shake and tremble, resulting in an earthquake. The intensity of an earthquake is measured using the Richter scale. It takes into account the magnitude of the earthquake and the distance from its epicenter. Earthquakes can cause buildings to collapse. They can also trigger landslides and other hazards. How are hurricanes caused? Hurricanes are tropical cyclones that form over the oceans and are characterized by strong winds and heavy rainfall. These storms are caused by the interaction of warm, moist air with the Earth's atmosphere. As the air rises, it cools and condenses, forming clouds and eventually a hurricane. The severity of a hurricane is often measured using the Saffir-Simpson scale. It takes into account the intensity of the winds and the potential for damage. They can bring strong winds, heavy rain, and flooding to coastal areas. How are volcanoes caused? Volcanoes are formed when molten rock, or magma, rises to the surface of the earth and erupts. Volcanoes can erupt in several different ways. Ranging from relatively mild explosive eruptions to catastrophic collapses. The severity of a volcanic eruption is often measured using the Volcanic Explosivity Index. It takes into account the volume of material erupted and the height of the eruption. When does floods occur? These occur when a river overflows its banks or when heavy rain causes water to build up in an area. Floods can cause damage to buildings, roads, and other infrastructure. What are tornadoes? These are powerful, whirling winds that form during thunderstorms. They can cause significant damage to buildings and other structures. What are wildfires? These are fires that burn out of control in natural areas, such as forests, grasslands, and wetlands. Wildfires can be caused by lightning, but they are often started by humans. Natural and human-caused disasters affect thousands of people each year. Major adverse events such as these have the potential to cause catastrophic loss of life and physical destruction. They are often unexpected and can leave whole communities in shock. It is important for people to be prepared for natural disasters by having an emergency plan in place. We should know what to do in the event of a disaster. When we understand the science behind natural disasters such as earthquakes, hurricanes, and volcanoes, we can better predict and prepare for their impacts. This knowledge can help us to reduce the loss of life and property and minimize the impact of these disasters on our communities.